Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope everything is fine. Today's letter is Jim. Jim. Although it's romanized by the English letter J, its sound is different. The sound is J, J. For more on how to pronounce the letter Jim, please check its episode in the alphabet series. To write Jim in the isolated form, draw a vertical curved line from left to right. Then go down with a bigger curved line. The dot goes in the middle. A small curved line from left to right, then down with a bigger curved line, and the dot in the middle. Give it a try now. Grab a pen and paper and draw Jim. J. J. Please pronounce the sound as you draw it. J. J. In the initial position, most of the tail drops off and continues into a straight line for a connecting segment leading to the following letter. We draw the small curved line from left to right and go down diagonally with a straight line for the connecting segment. We add the dot below the letter. From left to right with the small curved line, another short segment diagonally down, and a straight line. When Jim comes in the middle of a word, it has two connecting segments. We start from the right side and draw a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. Then start our letter from left to right with the small curved line. Then diagonally down and continue with a straight line for the connecting segment leading to the following letter. A connecting segment, our Jim, and another connecting segment. In the final position, Jim keeps its full shape. We only add a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. Draw the connecting segment, then add Jim in its complete form to close the word. A connecting segment, then Jim. To check these different positions in actual words, let's see some examples. In the initial position, Jim loses its tail to continue into a connecting segment leading to the following letter. The dot now is below the letter. In the medial position, Jim also loses its tail, and it has two connecting segments. One coming from the previous letter, and the other is leading to the following letter. In the final position, it keeps its full shape, in addition to a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. When Jim is preceded by a non-connecting letter, a letter that can't provide a connecting segment, it takes the shape of the initial position, like this example. Some other times, however, when it's preceded by a non-connecting letter, it comes as well in a final position. In this case, it doesn't only keep its full shape for the final position, but also stands alone with no connecting segment, like this example here. To sum everything up, Jim has four forms, depending on its position in a word and whether it's preceded by a non-connecting letter or not. There is the initial position, the medial, final, and the isolated form. Please practice writing the four forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of the letter as you draw it. J, J.